ubwo mushinga ushobora gumasha tukeshazinga.
Wow.
So you were jumping. You want to jump on him?
Ay, ay, ay. Okay.
Easy.
Friendly. Just because he went down as he was going down, he thought,
He saw you want to jump on his back. That's why
Gli ho dato la mano a lui, non me l'ha data. Io ho allungato la mano a lui e non mi ha preso.
Così salta arancia, ti segni subito. Ti aiutano mega, sto mangiando i gorilla.
Sì, ok.
Che puttana, ha aperto la bocca, hai visto?
L'ho preso, l'ho ripreso.
Ah, non lo so, l'hai ripreso?
Sì, sto facendo il video.
Questo è bello.
Stava mangiando.
Da dietro del culo che si alzava.
you felt his weight when he was stepping here. For you, when you step, you cannot cause any effect, but for him, it was almost breaking. So heavy. Yeah.
Ancora lì si da back.
What is his name?
Rafik,
Rafik, yeah.
the dominant.
He's
Yes.
a good friend for me.
For him,
Rafiki.
and you
Fai fare un filippo sotto il fenomeno qua.
A dire la verità lo volevo toccare.
the name of that one is Tabu.
Tambu?
Tabu.
Tabu.
Yeah.
Tabu coming.
Tabu means crisis.
Crazy? Ah, so maybe it's dangerous.
Non dangerous.
No?
Non dangerous. They just named him because something happened the day he was born. Big man died, so he said that your crisis.